Got shot, I went back in and woke him up, my son up, had him call 911 and got my 6-year-old put down in the corner.
Rifle and holding a Molotov cocktail. Once outside, he almost immediately began walking around firing his rifle at buildings and vehicles. Less than 30 seconds later, as the suspect is walking through the parking lot, a white car pulls in. The suspect keys in on the car and opens fire on it, striking and killing an adult male and an adult female. 3 other people inside the car take off running. The suspect continued to wander the parking lot, firing off dozens of rounds at random unoccupied cars. He made his way closer to a restaurant with people inside and threw a Molotov cocktail at the window. The window did not break and the device did not ignite. The suspect came in contact with several community members that he pointed a gun at but did not shoot. For the next several minutes, the suspect walks around randomly, firing dozens of shots. Some of the bullets flying across Deer Valley Road, piercing cars and buildings, injuring a couple of innocent bystanders. As officers arrived on scene, they were immediately met with a barrage of gunfire.
I'm 34 North, taking round.
934 North, taking round.
930 from my partner's hit. He's in the parking lot of
933.
Sure, Charlie 9 officers are taking rounds up there on Deer Valley.
999 West Deer Valley, 999 West Deer Valley on Charlie Deck 920.
I'm hit. I'm right next to the shooter.
999.
Go all the way to
Throw this all. Get them out of here. Go. Take him. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Go. You're good, buddy. You're good. You're good.